What a wanker. Of course it's a ranger. Bus only lane, he doesn't like the traffic. So he's just going to go down the bus only lane and then cut back in. Never a cop in this lane to stop people doing it.
A few moments later.
Are you serious? Why the hell are there so many people illegally using the bus only lane and there's just no one's batting an eyelid? Got him! Fuck you! Yes! Finally, there's a cop around and he's got this wanker. Haha, sucked in. Sucked in.
Suffering your jocks.
Oh shit, not good.
Whoa, fuck. Holy shit. They had to have hit. Surely they hit. Fuck me.
And the chair blows up. Well, unfortunately, the chair blew up before I got out of it. And that did quite a lot of damage to my rear end. That was your own, very own rear end, not a standard. It was my own rear end, and it had some nasty holes found in it.
You're over there.
Are you sitting?
I'm just gonna. Oh, what a dick. Fucking moron. I'll let this guy in. What a dickhead. I let the truck in and this wanker goes down his inside and tries to turn in front of him. Morons.
Yeah. I don't know. Look, he's got a smile on his face, but she hasn't. We'll be like, just chill out. Oh dear.
What an asshole. Screw
But anyway,
you. Fuck off.
we parked the car
Whoever
there.
took the other guy coming.
Denied.
No fucking clue. Absolutely no clue. Runs the red light. Mate, what the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ. Hydro plumbing services. That's some brilliant shit to be doing out in a
Always remember the people who help.
Are they actually trying to come
It's
to
the
work
same in
right
business.
now?
It's the great advice or the robust after-sales support. Or maybe it's just the knowledge and expertise that provided the perfect solution.
Yep. Oh my fucking god.
Your business journey is ours too. We can provide reliable,
They just went right
secure,
in the middle.
fast and affordable business is not a secret.
That's right.
This is checkpoint on RNZ National. I'm Lisa Owen. Highways disintegrating with limited opening hours.
Oh, nice move.
Forcing some people to take the
What the hell? That was... Yeah, well, dash cam got it.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Yeah, the markings are going to be digging up here, I know.
Grief, oh look, that's an orange, I don't know what the orange stands for. We'll change that wee bit and put like the long thing down there. A Sirion. Oh, you brat!
That's orange.
It's a strong bloody Nora! Oh, bloody Nora.
Hi there, Mr. Bus. Never mind.
Print schedule.
Come on, hurry up. Tickets. What are you doing? You don't run away, you dickhead. Good job. Oh. Jesus, that was not too smart, was it, buddy? Fuckwit. What are you doing again? Denied! Come on. You fucking moron. I had a kid in the back seat too, Jesus Christ.
You can't park here! Yeah, can't you guys read? No parking!
That was a very red light there, buddy. Oh. Turn your fucking hazards off, you dumbass! Yeah, it's a pretty little mess.
Bogans, bogans, bogans. Perth's got lots of bogans. So tired. Don't try to understand 'em, just round 'em up and brand 'em with a Southern Cross tattoo and sleeves both sides. It's true they don't like reading, but they're very good at breeding with Brandon, Shannon, Dax, and Finch and Kai. Get a job, get a root, get her pregnant in the ute. No, they don't like immigration, let's hide. In the pub, Jack and Coke, play some pool, smash some bloke. What a Saturday night. Bogans, gotta love 'em.
There's a koala there. Where? Oh,
Are you walking with one?
I didn't see that.